Now we are in a cooking bakery place, and I don't know the names of all this, but they will tell us. Here, these good ladies, they are doing pancakes. Pancake. Single rolls. Okay, tell me the single is number. Yeah, number rolls. Rolls. Huh? This in the kada kia the pasa. How much money this? Kada price? 30 rupees for this one when it's finished. These are the rolls finished? They look like this. 30 rupees, that is about 10 cents, something like that.
friends.
So here's the preparation for the rolls. Inside is what? Flour? Piti, huh? Piti of Sinhalese. Now this is a place where they have all their spices. And here is this name, Mokada Nama, this one. This Nama Mokada? Vattiya. And here is a grinder. There's a big stone there. That thing is... and this name, Indiappa, yeah?
Yes.
And what is your name? Yeah, you're working here also? Helper. You will show me one of these? Pulwan Balan, how you do? Later. Okay, it's a special job for somebody else. Now let's look in the ingredients. Noodles, some things, I don't know what. Here, this name? Yeah, I had the same, they sprouted even in my garden. Rice. And here are some spicy ingredients. And there's something, what kind of this? Sweet, sweet or salty? This Lunu or Sini?
No.
I just try. Let's
Chili.
Try. Chili.
Chili me.
It's not so spicy. It's okay. I survive. Now let's have a look at the rest of this very interesting place. What is inside this barrel? Mokada, this one. Now I'm not coming in the right moment. That needs to go there. I think we need to have a look at this another time. But here is the eternal flame burning for something which will be put on top, maybe still during the video. Now this is a perspective under the shelter against the shade. There's a pot. If you don't mind, I comment things. It's a little bit giving some more flair to my videos when I give some comments also. Sometimes I will shut up. Oh, she's going to show us how to do it. Now, yeah, that looks like something. What is the name in English of this? Oh, I forgot. Okay, forgive me, I don't know the name of this. This looks like pfannkuchen or something like that. Now show me how you do, madam. Mata kemati balana. How do you do this one?
No.
Okay, another time. So these were already done. Pass. First the job, a little bit video first. Here's some oil getting hot. Yeah, something getting hot. They comment on the leech which was biting my foot, but it was not here, it was in another place. And here you can see the huge base of a coconut tree which is removed, but the roots are still there. And in the center is something, no idea why, just in the center. So there used to be a huge coconut tree here. Now here is coconuts which have been already put on the grinder. So you can see you have the hand model here, and there you have machine model. Oh my god, I hit my head. Okay, here's the machine model. It's too low for me. Hari. And these are some spices, yeah?
Chili.
And here are some onions. So, okay. Now I arrived without any announcement in this place, so there's nothing prepared for a video. It's just the way it is right now at the early afternoon in this friendly workshop where they do. What's written here? Etulima. What does? Okay, is this some instruction not to smoking?
No.
What is this?
සේවකයන්ට පමණයි.
Okay, somebody will put
කුකින්ට.
cooking area. Somebody will translate it and put it in the comment section so I can learn something. And here is a lot of firewood because the heat for producing all these pastries or whatever it's called is done not by gas or electricity but just by firewood. So we recognize here this wood which is so much cleaned that represents a lot of hours of work. That's cinnamon wood, because when you smell it, it smells like cinnamon, but the cinnamon which we will use for cooking is removed. So there's just a little bit left here. You see that somebody was scraping all of this off, and this is not what they do here. It is done by another branch of people in Sri Lanka who do this as a main work, is the cinnamon work, and planting the cinnamon, harvesting the cinnamon, and drying the cinnamon. These are all kind of jobs connected to the cinnamon, which exists since a long time in this island, and recycling the wood after it has been removed of its cinnamon edible part is of course used smartly for fire. Now we go back in the workshop. Let's see what they are doing here. Yeah, I care for my head. There's a piece of bread. And she is making another roll. So we came, in fact, at the moment when they do rolls. And එයාගේ නම මොකද? වඩේ. Haripu vade. Haripu is something which I know. She's bringing this to the hot place. So these spicy things I know. And this is how they do.
I don't know English.
Now I understand you are flattening them. I thought these balls are... I didn't know them. Look, I found one. I will let it dry. So many hands here at work. Now the carton box has the advantage that it is immediately absorbing a little bit of the oil. Yeah, it's okay. What was done in the bakery shop, now these ones are very good tasting. I took one already before, and this one I will eat right now and test it. 1 second, madam. Good. What I like is that there's not too much of the chili inside.